Find the sum of AP 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on continue up to 100 terms. Here given A value, A is 0.6. 0.6 we have to write it as 6 by 10. Common difference D is 1.7 minus 0.6 equal to 1.1. Therefore D is equal to 1.1 we have to write it as 11 by 10. Number of terms is given here 100. We have to find out a sum of 100 terms equal to how much. We have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Sum of 100 terms equal to n is 100 divided by 2 into a is 6 by 10 plus n is 100 minus 1 d is 11 by 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are 0 as it is 50. Here 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 6 by 5 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 11 by 10. This equal to 50 into 6 by 5 as it is plus 11 9s are 99, carry 9, 11 9s are 99 plus 9 is 108 divided by 10. Now 50 as it is. Here take LCM 5 and 10. LCM is 10 is the LCM. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 6 2s are 12 plus 1089 into 1 is 1089. Now 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 into 1089 plus 12 is 1101, 1101. Now by multiplying 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 5505 is answer.